So in today's session, we are going to understand about process flow, application menus and process flow, guys. First, we'll start discussing about application menus. We'll start discussing about application menus. Okay. So we all are ServiceNow developers. Fix your mindset that we are ServiceNow developers. Behave as if you have become already a ServiceNow developer. Okay. We all are ServiceNow developers. We know what is ServiceNow database. In the ServiceNow database, there are tables. We create a table in the database. We'll create field that in the table. That field is nothing but column or dictionary. And we'll go to the table and click on show form to open the table form. But we all are ServiceNow developer. We know it. But if employee want to open the table form, we created incident table, right? If the table form employee want to open, he don't know what is ServiceNow database. He don't know what is table, how to navigate to the table, and how to click on show form. But employees don't know, right? Vamsi, you are an employee here. You're an employee. As an employee, you are using ServiceNow. So before that, before joining this class, do you know how to navigate to tables? What are tables in the database, and how to open the table and how to click on show form? Vamsi. So Vamsi is an employee. Now he is an employee. He is using ServiceNow as an employee. In his organization, there will be a ServiceNow developer. What is your client, Vamsi? BCG. Okay. BCG stands for something. Okay. So if employee want to open the form, he can't go to tables. He don't know what is table. He can't click on show form. So we need to make their life easy. For that, we'll create an application menu. For that, we'll create an application menu. So here, if you go to the personal developer instance, in the all, the arrow mark ones you are able to see here, right? These arrow mark ones we call it as application menus. These arrow marks, right? You can see arrow marks. All these arrow marks are application menus. Okay. Similar to these application menus, I am creating a new application menu. Okay. So I am just to create a new application menu, something like this. We have to go to application menus, application menu. Application menus, application menu. Okay. This is the application menus. Under system definition, you have to navigate to application menus. Okay. So to create this application menu, you have to go to application menus under system definition. Remember this point. So these arrow mark ones are called application menus. These are called modules. Under application menu, whatever you see here, these are called modules. So like these self-service application menu, like these 360 view configurations, like Aadhaar card details, like access analyzer, like ACL. So like these application menus, I am going to create a new application menu here. These application menus, you will find it under system definition. Under system definition, you will click on application menus. You have to go here, and here you have to create an application menu. Okay. So this application menu name client will give you. Custom incident management. Custom incident management. So explain what this application menu does. Okay. Okay. You created an application menu. This application menu, if you scroll down, you can see you can create modules here. You can create modules here. I am creating a module. Create new module. Order I am giving here as 100. This order means order with less number will be shown first. If you go to an application menu, business application is appearing on the top. Business applications is appearing on the top. Under this application menu, business applications is appearing on the top. My notification preferences appearing in the last. Okay. Order with less number. Order with less number will appear on the top. Okay. To the link type. Link type is very important here. Link type I am selecting here as new record. What is our table name? Incident table name. U underscore incident. This is the table name. Okay. Click on. So I have created an application menu called custom incident management, and that I created a module called create new. The order is actually 100 here. Link type is new record. Table name is incident. U underscore incident. Why the strength is quite less today? Is there any match? New. This one I am giving order 200. Link type list of records. Table will be incident table. U underscore incident. Okay. And I am creating in another module. List of records, incident. State is in progress. I am selecting here. For previous one, I have to select state is new, but did I select or not? Okay, we created an application menu. Under that application menu, we created 3 modules. So each module is order is actually 100, 200, 300. 100 will appear on the top. 300 will appear in the end. Okay, now what I am doing is just log out of the session. Log out of the session and log in again. Okay, go to application navigator. Just type custom incident management. This is the application menu that we created. This is the create new module, which is appearing on the top because the order is 100 here. When I click on this one, it will directly open the incident form. When I click on that, it will directly open the incident form. When I click on new here, it will open the incidents which are in the new state. Okay. When I click on in progress, the incidents which are in the in progress state will appear. Okay. Now I am creating another module. On hold. Order I am giving 400. Link type is list of records. Table name is incident table. Condition state is on hold. Getting resolved, closed, cancelled, all. So you guys can ask me. You can also give order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Why are you giving 100, 200, 300, 400? Tomorrow, your client will come, will ask you create a module between these modules. Then you have to reorder everything. Between in progress and on hold, he want a new module. If you give 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to reorder everything, right? If there is a gap between order, let us say you are maintaining the order gap as 300, 400, 500. If you have to create a new module between these two modules, you will give 450 for that new module. Okay. Yes, it is possible to change the order number in future. In future, you can change the order number. As a developer, you can do that. The 100 we already used. You can go here, you can see the application menus. But to see them, you have to log out of the session and log in again. You can see new create new means it will open the form. Okay. New means it will open the incidents which are in the new state. If you click on in progress, it will open the incident records which are in the in progress state, on hold state, resolved state, closed state, and cancelled state. So this is how you will create the application menus. So when you are creating an application menu, there is a role tab here, role. You want to show this application menu to only specific role people, only specific people. Not everybody should be able to see this particular application menu. I want to restrict it to only ITIL people. ITIL. Only this guy should be able to see. Okay. Okay. So we can restrict at the application menu level. Okay. Can also restrict at the we can also restrict the module level as well. Here, if you see ITIL role, if one person should have ITIL role, guys, Should I explain or should I answer your questions? Only one thing I can do it at a time. What do you want me to do? You tell me. Okay. See, both the things can't be done at a time. Okay. So here I am restricting this application menu to only ITIL people. Okay. I don't have ITIL role. Okay. But in the module, I am able to have permission to this particular module. No role. If I don't have permission to application menu and I have permission to module means I can access the modules. Getting my point? See, this is an application menu. Under the application menu, you have modules here. We can restrict at application menu level. We can restrict at the module level. Okay. So I don't have ITIL permission. Don't have ITIL permission, but I have permission to this particular module. That means I don't have permission to application menu, but I have permission to the module. Then I can access modules. Getting my point? I don't have permission to the application menu, but I do have permission to the module. Then I can access them. So here also I am restricting it to ITIL people. This one also restricting it to ITIL people. Here also I am restricting it to ITIL people. Okay. In progress, on hold, resolved, closed, cancel. I am also restricting it to module level as well. I think it is taking some time. Okay. That means I have restricted it to only ITIL people. Only the person who has ITIL role only can access these application menus. I have restricted these application menus. Nobody will be able to see, only the people who has, except the people who has ITIL role. Okay. Well, here guys, in the module, in the link type, you have different type of link types. You have different link type. We have seen only new record. It will open the incident form. It will open the incident form. We have seen list of records. We have seen list of records. So we haven't discussed rest of them. We haven't discussed the rest of them. Now I am creating a new module. I am creating a new module of different link type, that is actually separator. Okay. Properties. It's a separator. Giving order as 800. Okay. Link type I am selecting here as separator. Okay. After the separator, I am creating another module. There is a table in ServiceNow database called system properties. Like incident problem change table, there is a table in the ServiceNow database that is called system properties. Okay. Incident properties. $900. The system properties here. Here, go to the application menu. Sorry guys, network got disconnected. Okay. Go to the custom application and custom incident management. You can see this is a separator. So whenever you click on incident properties, it will open the system properties, which is actually having incident name. Okay. System properties is a separate table in the database, guys. So we have seen new record link type. We have seen new record link type. You can see new record link type, list of records link type, separator link type. So we have some other link types as well. We have some other link types as well that you won't be able to understand now because we haven't covered those topics. We'll be covering those topics in coming sessions. When we discuss those topics, then you will be able to understand. When we cover a reports topic, okay, so client will ask you, so under the custom incident management application menu, I want to see a module. Whenever I click on that module, it should open the report. It should open the report. So then that is where what I do. So let me create one module here that is actually of link type report. Mm, Run a report. You have to select the report. Submit this one. You should see an extra module here that is actually weekly report. That you will be able to see if you log out of the session and log in again. Has it created or not? Huh? Weekly incidents. It is created, right? Didn't we provide the order? Order also we provided. Weekly report. Hmm. Here table option itself is not there. Sometimes it will take time to appear. Now it is appearing. Okay. This is not a form. This is not a list. This is not a separator. This is a report. This is a report. This is loading now. This is a report. So we have different link types here based on the client need. We have to create a module of different link types. So client will ask you whenever I have to see an application menu. Whenever I click on that in the application menu, I have to see a module. Whenever I click on that module, it has to open a document. It has to open a document in a new tab. It can be PDF document or Excel sheet, whatever the document. So in that case, what we will do, we'll select the link type here as document link. Getting my point? Okay. So likewise, we can use different link type in the we can use different link types when we are creating the modules. Okay. So slowly you will be able to understand one by one when we are covering the topics. Okay. Fine. Now we can directly access the um, incident form directly from here. No need to go to table and click on show form. Directly I can click on create new here in the application menu and I can open the form something like this one. Okay. Well, here I want to show the progress here. On this incident, I want to show the progress. That is called a process flow. To create a process flow, go to the application navigator, type of process flow. Okay. So what is our table name? Incident table name. New. Name is for employee, name is for developer's purpose, label is for employee's purpose. Order I am giving 100. State is new. Okay. Now guys, you can closely observe I will use insert and stay option. Insert and stay option. What it does is that it will create a new record using these values. If the new values that I entered, right? Using those values, it will create a new record. Okay. So now you go to the process flow again now. Okay. So in the U_incident table, so new, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, cancel. These are the process flows that you created. One is actually with 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 order. Order with 100 will appear first. Order with 600 will appear last. So you created a process flow, right? Go to the form, incident form, right click, configure, go to form design. Remember, right click, configure, go to form design. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm creating a separate section. You drag this section on the top. Okay. Remove the section name. Make it a single column. There is a process flow here. Add this process flow here. Save this one. Here you are adding this process flow only on the default view. You are adding this process flow only on the default view. If you want to add it on the other views, you have to add it in a separate views as well. Okay. Now you go to the form and refresh this one. Now you are able to see the process flow also on the form. This is the process flow. So if I change the state to new here, and new will be highlighted here. This is called process flow, guys. This is how you will create a process flow on the form. Okay. So till this point, everybody is clear, right? Now it's time for question and answers, guys. Now you can ask all of your questions. Everyone.
Yeah, Uday. So, Uday, I have two, three questions.
Mm,
So, first thing is like that order one. So, order one, suppose I created three modules, one, two, three,
mm.
or maybe, yeah, so one, two, three. Okay. So, now later, one new request came to add one new
Between these
module.
modules.
So, now I can change three to four and I can create three, right?
Yes.
So, that will impact anything from like employee side, like they will see any
No,
change. No, right? They won't know, right? So
it won't impact.
okay,
It is a
okay,
sequence
okay.
in which order they should see and up.
But that is the option we can try, right? So that way also we can try.
Yes.
And then one general thing, like in, so currently I am we are also using service now, right? So I
Mm.
want to check which role I'm using, like what way I can check
You
Uday?
go to your user account. You go to user administration. Go to users.
Okay, this will appear for every employee also.
Users will appear for you also, but in the read-only
Okay,
mode.
okay.
Or you can write this command: this underscore user.list. This command will
Uh-huh.
work for you as well. Okay.
Okay.
Sys underscore list.
Mm-hmm.
Sys underscore user dot capital list. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can also see this filter. Open this filter and keep name is
Okay. Our, our
name starts with, you keep your Uday name. So you can
Mhm.
keep your name there. Okay.
Okay. That way we can.
So you can open this one. Okay. You can open your
Yeah.
profile and service now. Scroll down. You can see here how many roles are assigned on your name, how many groups,
Mhm.
how many groups you are actually a
Groups
member
are.
of.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This
Okay.
is how you can check.
So one more thing I observed, like if you while creating this each module, like their application, it's like showing global only.
Yeah, that is a scope.
Okay, so means that everyone can see, right? Everyone
Ye-
can see. Okay,
See, scope is different, guys. Scope means by default we have global scope, we have custom scope. Global scope related things can be accessed in all custom scopes. Okay, all custom scopes related things you can't access outside.
okay.
Getting my point?
Yeah, means custom means those are restricted to some users only, right? That's what I'm.
Yes.
Okay. And one more question, like the roles you are assigning, right? So two ways, right? One is at application menu level, second at module level, right?
Hmm.
So how is the priority will goes? Like suppose if I given ITL role at the application menu level,
Hmm.
and maybe one of the module I only given to some X role, not that ITL role. So still that module will see by application menu role or it will restrict. Like which is the priority? Like
Okay. First of all, if you have module level access, then
hmm.
you can directly access.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yep.
If you have application menu level access and module level access, then you can access both.
Okay.
See, let me give you, there is an application menu. Under the application menu, there are 6 modules.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. And to access that application menu, okay,
Yeah.
you are granting admin permission.
Okay.
Okay. You
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
granting admin permission to every module.
Okay.
So that means at the application menu level, you have granted admin role. At the module level as well, you have granted admin role.
Yes.
Okay. Second thing, for 3 modules, you have given ITIL role.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there are 2 persons who has admin role. There are 2 persons who has ITIL role. When ITIL person has logged in and open the ServiceNow instance, he can see only 3 modules.
Okay.
He can see only 3 modules.
Hmm.
If a person who has admin role has logged in, he can see all the 6 modules in the application menu.
Okay. Means like application menu role will take priority, right?
Module role will take priority.
Mod module like here like in the like two users. Sorry. So half of the modules will given by ITL and half of by admins, right? But
No, 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 no,
admins.
no, no, no. 6 modules are there. Out of the
Uh,
6 modules are given admin role.
yep. That is application menu level, right?
Module level.
Module level. Okay.
Okay. So you have given access to the modules, all the modules you have granted admin role.
Yeah.
And 3 modules can be accessed to admin role and ITIL role.
Okay. Okay.
So that means here you can add 2 permissions here.
So that means like even if some role no need to provide the menu level, right? We can even if we give the module level also they can able to see.
Yes.
But if we want to assign like all the modules, then we can directly give application level is sufficient, or we have to give individual level also, like individual module also, right?
We have to give individual module also.
Okay, okay. Then what is the use of giving application menu level like the role?
See, application menu is actually uh, it is second level approval, second level access. First,
Okay.
you should have permission to the individual modules.
Okay. Okay.
So you have access to the application menu and you don't have permission to the application menus means, sorry, you have permission to the application menu, you don't have permission to the modules means you can't access that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Getting my point?
Yeah. 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 So module level is the priority. So if I given module level, application menu level, if not given also, no issues. Like they
No
can.
issues.
Okay. Okay. Got the. Yeah. Thanks, Uday.
Yeah, yeah. If you go to the incident application menu here, this is ServiceNow provided incident application menu. This one is ServiceNow provided incident application menu. Okay. So the person who has ITIL role and SN underscore incident underscore read role should have to access this application menu.
Mm-hmm.
At the module level as well, there are permissions here. Okay. If they don't have permission here,
Mm-hmm.
they can't access these things.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Here also they have given right SN underscore incident underscore right dot TL.
Mm-hmm.
If they don't have, let us say if you haven't given any permission here, that means
Okay.
no permission means everybody can access.
Okay. Okay.
Getting my
So this
point?
is specifically for restricting, like these roles only has to see. So in that way, we are keeping this.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Any questions from anyone, guys? Except Vamsi. Vamsi is occupying everyone.
Hi Uday.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, yes. I have the same question regarding that permission level. So Vamsi has asked. I got the
Okay, very
answer.
good.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Alekya.
Uday, yeah, I was having the doubt regarding the order number.
Hmm.
Yeah, like why are we only giving the specific order? I'm unable to understand actually.
Fine. See here, we have created these many modules under the application menu. Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, client will come and I want a new module which should appear between create new and assign to me.
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow, client will come and I want a new module in the incident application menu that should appear between create new and assign to.
Yeah.
So in that case, what we will do, we will give 125 order
Okay. In between.
in
Yeah.
between the number that is available, right? We'll give that
Yeah.
order. So if you follow 1, 2, 3, 4, right, you have to reorder everything.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Getting right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Uday, I'm getting because in if we give 1, 2, 3, there will not be any in between numbers. So we
Yes.
need to like arrange, like we need to edit everything.
Yes.
So yeah, I got it. So this is the like frequency kind. Like if we select like
Sequence.
100 for 150, if there is any possibility to edit in between. If we get any requirement from the client, there is any like there will be a chance to edit.
Yes.
So okay, yeah, I got clear today. Thank you so much.
So that is why we will maintain the order gap at least 100. If you
Okay,
maintain 1000, it would be really great.
okay. Oh, yeah, I got cleared. Yeah, I'm good now.
Yeah. Any other questions from anyone?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Actually, regarding the toll things only, actually, I mean, you are going to say like menu level access is for the appearance purpose because we have to see the menu first, then only we can go to the module. We can say like that.
No. Even though you don't have access to module, even though you don't have access to application menu, you have
Module access, then we can see module.
yes.
Okay,
Okay, you have access to application menu and don't have access to modules means
we can
no
see
use.
them.
No use.
Yeah. Then that is the module levels is the main difference.
Yes.
Yeah. Then what is the use of the access giving for the menu
See,
thing?
if you have module level access, if you have application menu level access, at least you should have module level access. You should have at least one module level access.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Instead of explaining, I should have shown it to you. Then I no need to speak too much.
Yeah, because that is little bit confusion. That model level access.
You give it a try,
Yeah,
guys.
actually, I have understood the point. Actually, once you asked the same question, but
Mhm.
still there is some confusion.
Yeah, I should have shown you practically so that you'll be able to understand it. Okay?
Yeah, next time.
Yeah. Okay, guys, then we'll see you
Thank
there
you.
in tomorrow session. Thank you.